Hey guys, today I am going to explain in this video not function in Microsoft Excel. In this video how we can understand logically and the not function how it will works we'll see. So let's get into the video. Okay, first we will see the definition. The not function is give reverse value. When the condition is true then it is returns false, or if condition is false then it is returns true. Okay, we have the two formulas and each one have the multiple conditions. So based on the multiple condition how the values will execute we'll see. Okay, is equal to not, press the tab button and it is asking the first logic one. Uh, returns returns false if C column contains black, otherwise it is true. So C column right, comma, is equal to inverted commas black, close that, enter. So pull that down. See, it is showing the white color, it is showing the true, and black color it is showing the false. Why? Because we already discussed about that, right? It is showing the reverse values. When it is true then it returns false. Okay, so because black color is true, so that is the reason it is showing the false. Okay, so we'll go for the second formula, is equal to not returns false if B column contains quote, otherwise true. Quote, select the B column, equal, inverted commas, quote, close the bracket, enter. See, it is showing the false because it is true. Okay, okay, thanks for watching. Start 1 2 3. Okay, thanks for watching.